can't listen, watch the show. No, well, I might not be done by then.
Watching them escape like
My boss's boss.
Wait, the last one will leave you speechless.
Sorry for my Taylor. Come with me.
Can I drive?
This? Oh, thanks.
Let me drive it. Let me drive it.